Shisi, my bag is heavy today.
Yes, mine too. But school was fun. Did you hear that? Yes. Oh no, the kitten is stuck in the hole. It is small and shaking. Poor little kitten. Don't worry, we'll help you.
Hold on, I will reach you. Be gentle, it is scared.
Stick can help. Gently, gently, we cannot hurt it. Hold on, I will reach you.
Be gentle, it is scared.
Oh no, it is moving back. It is more scared now.
This way is not working.
Yes, we must try another method. Kitten, look, we have something yummy for you. It smells good. Maybe it will come.
This way is not working.
Yes, we must try another method.
It is okay, we are here.
We will keep you safe, little kitten. Remember, always help others. Even small friends, they need care. The kitten is happy now. We feel happy too. Please like our video, share it with your friends, subscribe for more stories.